tell that Choice Dental Clinic is one of the first few clinics to offer dental stem cell banking. Now, what are stem cells? These are master cells of our body, and these cells, they have the potential to divide and become a different type of cell at whichever tissue it is injected on. Suppose if there is some arthritis patient, the cartilage has reduced, these stem cells can produce cartilage. Now, what are dental pulp cells? Now, these stem cells are of two types. One is the embryonic and one is the adult stem cell. So, embryonic stem cells are the ones which are extracted from an embryo which is more than 5 days old, but it is considered criminal and there are a lot of legal implications involved. But the adult stem cells are the ones which can be harvested at any time after birth. So there are no legal implications in it. If it's a child below 18, then the parents' consent is taken. If it's a patient who is above 18, the wisdom tooth have to be extracted. If the patient is above 18, the child's consent is also taken. And these stem cells are preserved for as long as the patient wants. Now, what is dental stem cell banking? As you can see, it involves extracting of the stem cells from the pulp tissue of extracted healthy teeth and storing them for as many years as desired. What are the uses of stem cells? Myocardial infarction, because I said these stem cells have the ability to form the tissue wherever they are injected. So if it's a muscle, it's a bone, it's a tooth, it's a cartilage, it can replicate and form a healthy tissue over there. You must have heard about the interview of Dr. Dipul Das last week on Times Now, and an article had come in Times of India front page about altruism of the human cells. He is talking about nothing else but stem cells. Now, he is into cancer research. He is talking about nothing else but stem cells. So these are the different diseases where you can use the stem cells and cure. Lisa Ray, who was afflicted with leukemia, she got cured with stem cells. So arthritis, where as I said the cartilage can be repaired. Diabetes, where the islet cells of Langerhans, which are in the pancreas, which produce insulin, they can be grown again with the help of stem cells. Now, what is the procedure for dental stem cell banking? It's very, very simple.